What are the causes of rust stains on tiles? Dear friends, tile flooring gives the attractive and beautiful appearance to your house. If we do not clean it properly, there may be several problems which may arise in flooring like fading, rust stain, cracks, etc. Rusting is one of the major problems that you face in your kitchen or wet areas on the tile surface. Stains on tiles are mainly caused by hard water, mildew, one type of fungus, and rust marks. Rust stain occurs due to leaky toilets, showers and sinks, making your bathroom appear unclean and messy. Rust can weaken the tile, causing holes in the tile and floorboard. Here we give few reasons for rust stains on tiles. Rust stain on your ceramic tile is unsightly, and they can easily happen in places where metal and moisture mixes, such as in the bathroom. The main causes of rust stains on tiles are a gas cylinder. It creates a thick rust formation on the floor which is difficult, almost impossible to remove. Rust can occur when metal items come into contact with water and your tiles. This can happen on the porcelain tiles, ceramic tile, etc. Metal chairs, outdoor heaters, outdoor bins, and iron fillings are all common causes of rust. Once it takes a grip on the surface, it is very difficult to remove. You can stop such stains by not placing metal lids of cans on surfaces. Any furniture element or household item with metallic or iron base, allowed to come in contact with water, will be formed thick rust on the tile surface. Sometimes, MS paint drums also cause the rust stains on tile's surface when the painting is going on. A rust stain is one of the ugliest stains out there. Ultimately, properly cleaned tiles give beautiful look to your home and also give safety to the occupants of the house. If you like the video, give it a thumbs up and share it with your friends. For more useful and interesting information, subscribe to Engineer Ajay Lod's channel, How to Make My House.